Good morning, this is Dhesi Market Memo, Markets Simplified. Today is about recovery in precious metals, Asia leading the move, and the Fed chair being back in focus. The three things from the board. First, commodities. Gold is up about 5.1% over the last 24 hours. That is a big move for a safe asset. It usually means policy credibility, inflation risk, or both being repriced. Over the last three sessions, commodities have been volatile. This looks like a rebound in precious metals. It is a move in the right direction, but it has not fully retraced the prior losses. Brent is slightly lower, down 0.2% over the last 24 hours. So this is not an oil story today. Second, Asia risk. The Nikkei is up 3.4% over the last 24 hours. Japan sits at the intersection of rates, funding, and risk sentiment. So when it moves this hard, it really matters. Third, FX. Aussie versus US dollar is up 0.9% over the last 24 hours. The Aussie is often an early tell when a market is leaning back towards risk. Now the glue. Markets have now had time to digest the Kevin Warsh nomination and what this could mean for the rates path in the US. If the Fed is more restrictive though, balance sheet policy, conditions can tighten even if rate cuts remain possible later on, and that supports the dollar. And it can push investors towards safe haven assets. The other angle is funding. The yen carry unwind theme is back in the conversation. When carry trades come under pressure, liquidity can tighten, with knock-on effects into FX and risk. On the credit side, it's calm. US investment grade spreads are 0.75% and US high yield around 2.88%. Crypto is also firmer. Ether is up 4% over the last 24 hours and Bitcoin is also recovering at 2%. Two practical points for anyone running currency or funding exposure. First, if the dollar stays supported while gold is moving like this, assume hedging costs can stay awkward. Avoid forcing everything through one timing point. Second, if you have yen-linked funding or cross-currency swaps, watch funding conditions and liquidity closely. Carry unwinds tend to show up there first. What to watch? UK focus is the Bank of England decision and guidance risk. US focus is any further signal on Fed chair succession and balance sheet stance. And in the markets, watch whether gold holds these gains. This is Dhesi Market Memo, Markets Simplified. If this saves you time, please do subscribe and comment on the one level you're watching today.